We are so proud to be one of the first cities to work with the Urban Infrastructure Initiative. Greenworks Philadelphia for us is our plan to be the #1 green city in America.
The Urban Infrastructure Initiative is the flagship initiative of the World Business Council for Sustainable Development, focusing on sustainable cities. We really wanted to test this model of bringing together a multi-sector, multi-company group of expertise, sit down with cities and really help them think through how they turn their sustainability vision into a reality.
So we were really excited when the UII team reached out to us and asked if we wanted to participate in this process. It was a way for us to get their great ideas and expertise to help guide some of the areas where we're either challenged or could use some outside thinking. We were able to get that perspective and also some really concrete technical advice in a few core areas.
I think the World Business Council for Sustainable Development brings a level of not only credibility but the substance of what is sustainability all about.
The UII is working with 10 cities around the world, and we intentionally sought out cities in key regions in North America, in Latin America, in Europe, India, China and Japan. Really trying to test this model in a range of different political, economic, socio-cultural contexts to really demonstrate, hopefully, that it can work anywhere.
Cities need innovative solutions, and oftentimes the private sector is producing those innovative solutions. So to the extent that the city can leverage them for their own operations and projects, that's a fantastic opportunity.
What we've learned is that collaboration matters, that looking at your entire built environment matters, as well as some of the challenges that any particular city faces.
We have a lot of pieces to Greenworks that are bigger vision statements for Philadelphia. We got the validation as well that that's not far off from where the private sector sees urban areas going in the future.
The city of Philadelphia has many successes. It's really one of the hallmarks and stellar examples of sustainability planning within North America.
The major successes is the combination of integrated ideas. We made a concerted effort to integrate a lot of those ideas so that they would work together.
The major success that I saw is that it includes everybody in the community. It actually reaches on down to the personal level and includes the residents in Philadelphia.
We are clearly a beneficiary from participating in this program, but we also have much to share and to give. And so I love that kind of collaboration where everyone is giving something and getting something at the same time.
The city was happy to be pioneers of this new model of collaboration.
The cities of the future are going to have interconnected distribution of these other forms of energy. And this really ties back to the goals of the Greenworks program.
The collaborative engagement through the UII process was really an important learning experience for both the city and the UII members themselves. It helps to build bridges within the organizations that don't naturally come together.
So on behalf of the WBCSD and the UII companies, I'd like to formally present you with the UII solutions landscape for Philadelphia.
Thank you. Well, certainly my advice to other city leaders is to get involved, be a part of this effort. The UII is a champion in this particular area. I think the Urban Infrastructure Initiative is one of the world's leading programs, and so stay involved, be involved, learn from it, share within it, and help all of us to make our cities, our regions, our states, our countries, if not the world, the most sustainable, but also great places to live, work, raise our families, and have a lot of fun.